I got a lot of light. So I got these spaceship lights off of Amazon. There's 2 of them in this package and they're 12,000 lumens each. And my shop's about 1,200 square feet, so I'm hoping that on the main part of the shop that it'll light it up pretty well for me. So here's these. There's a bunch of LEDs inside of here. And the reason I got these is because they fit into a standard socket, and I didn't want to have to run, new lighting, especially since it's 17 feet in the air and I really don't care for height. So these can be plugged into the normal socket that's already there, and they can kind of be adjusted so that they shoot out a little bit. I'm not sure how I will adjust those yet, but we will see. Here's the main part of my shop, and you can see it's not lit up all that well, especially at night. I have a bunch of windows on the front and back doors, but and those do okay during the day, but at night it's just there's a lot of shadows. And let's go ahead and get these lights installed. As you could see earlier, the ladder I have wouldn't allow me to reach the light bulb safely in this configuration. And to put it into the extension configuration and me to lift it up by myself was just a little too much. So I rigged up these broomsticks. One's a broomstick and one is a paint roller extension. And I just kind of welded those together with some duct tape. And the other side, this is the way I had it to put up the new bulbs, and then I kind of cupped these to take out the old bulbs. I did break one of the old bulbs coming out, but that's okay. As a guy gets older like me, it gets a little difficult to see in the dark, and I've been having a lot of trouble actually reading a tape measure or just doing some things on the workbench. And these seem to work pretty well. And if they hold up over the next couple months, I think I'll probably buy 2 more packs. That'd be 4 more lights. And that'll really soak this space in light. So that about wraps it up. We got the spaceship lights up, and we'll see how they do. I'm just starting out on YouTube, and I'd really love it if you guys would like this video or subscribe to it or share it with your friends. My wife's gonna be so mad at me for taking that broom apart.